Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I was able to make this half up half down from the comfort of my home. So if this is something that you would love to watch, do make sure to stick around and just keep on watching.
You stood out cause you were in red. Then against my intentions
Welcome lovelies to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I made this hairstyle from start to finish. So I already went by to conrow my hair off camera. This doesn't have to be perfect, so please do not come to my DM and be like, oh, your cornrows are not perfect. It really doesn't matter if your cornrows are perfect, especially because you're gonna be sewing some tracks to this part, so it's really not necessary. So you can just follow the pattern that I use, making sure that you start from the midpoint of your hair, that is after parting your hair into two, that's making it as a half up half down hairstyle. So without further ado, let's just bump right into how this was done. So you want to just back your hair, that's the one at the top part, like a bun, just tie the thread into two. So I just tucked that into a bun, and that was pretty okay. So you just want to weave the other part like so, and you just want to use your needle and your thread to just sew that in place.
where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else as we close.
So now that the hair is all prepped in place, this is the hair that I'm gonna be using, and previously I used this hair to make the same style. You can check my previous video where I showed how I used this particular hair that I got from Wigsbysalika to make this particular hairstyle. So I already went ahead to coil this hair, and this is just a simple technique to just pass your needle into the hair, and then you just start sewing like so. So it's very easy. Well, this isn't my first time making my hair, that's sewing tracks to my hair, so I was pretty much used to knowing where my hair is and where my skin is, actually, to avoid that putting the needle mistakenly on your scalp. So if you're not experienced in making this, or you're scared of doing this by yourself, you can just get somebody to do this for you. So lovelies, this is just pretty much it. You just want to keep sewing the tracks one by one until you are pretty much done. So make sure to keep watching this video so that you can see the method that I use in placing the track, and where you're supposed to place the track and where you're not supposed to place the track. If you're loving this video already, why not give it a huge thumbs up and just keep on watching. Make sure to share and let me know what your thoughts, your opinions are regarding this hair. Is it something you're gonna be trying out? Okay lovelies, keep on watching.
The feeling behind my eyes, you stood out cause you were in red. Then against my intentions I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. 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 Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.